Hey, where are we?
We are in Sydney, Australia. We're about to watch the fireworks show behind us over the Sydney Bridge in Sydney Harbor in a few hours. You can see the crowd that's gathering behind us at the Botanic Gardens. So excited to be here with you on New Year's Eve.
And who are we?
We are Chris and Steve, Eat, Walk, Learn, full-time travelers.
Yeah, and by the magic of time zones and time warp, when this goes live, it should be right around the time that it's New Year's Eve in Denver and LA and Chicago and New York, all over North America. It will be live with a Sydney Happy New Year. So hope we do it right. We'll see you soon. Happy New Year. And if anything, let's have a great travel year together in 2024. We love you guys. Happy New Year. See you next year. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! That's awesome. Wow. Okay, this is worth it. Yeah.